Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the interesting topic. Okay, from your first unit, it is a collage. Okay, so what do you mean by collage? A collage is a piece of art made by sticking different materials like photograph, pieces of paper or fabric onto a larger and firmer surface. Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to learn about collage on life of great personality who was able to change face of the world. So who is he? He is Swami Vivekananda. Okay, so here is his photograph. Okay, so this collage consists of two photographs. Okay, and five notes, six notes. Okay, so in the first note they have given the information, okay, or history of Swami Vivekananda, and the other notes are his sayings. Okay, so we will get to learn various interesting things, okay, and inspirational quotes through this lesson. Okay, so now we will see some important things about Swami Vivekananda. Okay, so Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th of January 1863 in Kolkata, and he died on 4th of July 1902. Who was the person who inspired him the most? He is Ramakrishna Paramhansa. Okay, so let's learn more about the colorful life of great personality. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Datta, was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. So, what do you mean by philosophy? Philosophy means system of beliefs. So, Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Datta, means his original name is Narendra Datta, and later the people have given the name Swami Vivekananda. At the Parliament of World's Religions, he began his speech with Sisters and Brothers of America. At these words, he received a 2-minute standing ovation. Ovation means enthusiastic clapping by an audience. He emphasized the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. He is regarded as a patriotic saint. Okay. Emphasized means gave special importance to. Okay, so Swami Vivekananda made the world realize the greatness of Indian philosophy. Okay, how great our Indian way of thinking is, and where did he make this known? At the Parliament of the World's Religion. Okay, this was an international organization where he was a first person for addressing the audience as Sisters and Brothers of America. No one had addressed in such a manner till now, and therefore he received standing ovation. Okay, ovation for him because they were so taken up by him. Okay, he emphasized on importance of selflessness. Selflessness way means he was willing to do anything, okay, service to others. So we also take lesson from him and try to make people around us better during time of crisis. Okay, no wonder today Swami Vivekananda is considered as patriotic saint. Okay, a saint means who loved his country and worked for welfare of humanity. Okay, so this is some interesting information about Swami Vivekananda which is given in the first note. Okay, so now we will move towards its sayings. Okay, its quotes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Okay, so what does it mean? That how Swami Vivekananda worked. He did not taken any rest but kept on seriously working for achieving his goal. Can we also work to achieve our goal? I am sure you will work like this. Okay, you have to work from heart and work until the goal is achieved. Okay, let's see another saying. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in the world. So, who is the excellent person? It is you. Okay, and you have to meeting with you yourself. So we always spend some time in meditation and talk not only to ourselves but to the one who created us. And who created us? God. And through God we receive the inspiration to excel in our given duties. So in this video we have seen some interesting things about Swami Vivekananda and two quotes of him. Okay, in the next video we will see the remaining quotes. Okay, thank you.